Hi, in this video we are going to see how to stitch saree falls. So here I have stitched the saree fall in a chiffon saree. The technique whatever I have shown is same for any silk saree, chiffon or satin saree. Let's move on to the video. So I have taken a saree here. Take the other side, not the pallu part, take the other end which will tuck in the waist area. Measure from the end 20 inches and give a mark there. So from there only we are going to start attaching the saree falls. So when you choose the saree falls, choose the cotton one and pre-shrink it, neatly iron, then start attaching. So why is this concept of pre-shrinking and ironing is the cotton is having the tendency to expand. So after, without ironing, pre-shrinking, if you are attaching, what happens after stitching, when you wash the saree once or when you tie, and wear and tying will expand the fabric. In such cases you will get wrinkles in the bottom area where you are attaching the falls. So this is the falls I am using. So in the beginning fold half inch inwards and place exactly to the tip of the saree. Start stitching. Give the stitch 1/8 inwards, not to the extreme edge of the saree also, 1/8 difference it should be, because you can't make it in the extreme of the saree. So we are going to give in the distance of 1/8. So one end of the saree will not be a problem because the saree is having the selvage, which means the thicker part. So just do the stitch continuously. When you come to the end of this part, I'll explain what you have to do it in the other end. So when you reach at the end of the saree fall, so fold it like you did in the beginning of the saree fall, half inch inwards and stitch it. So I'm just making sure the folding is perfect or not. Okay, now drop the needle and turn to the folding side. So now comes the tricky part. So if it is a silk saree, just like that you can go and stitch, give a straight stitch and again continue the stitch in the other end of the saree fall. But this is chiffon saree. So always you have to check the saree whether it is straight or having any wrinkles inside the saree falls. Make sure, then give the stitch. So here you can see other side I am holding the fabric in my elbow like this. If I am leaving, it will create wrinkles in the saree fall side. So if you are a beginner, you can just pin it and stitch it. That will help you and save your time also. But here anyhow I am going to show you without pinning. But I may run the video little fast because anyhow the stitch is going to be straight stitch. That's why I am going to run fast. But when I stitch without pinning, I will be stitching very slowly because if any wrinkles it happens in one place, the complete saree will look crooked. It won't be straight after giving the falls. See my handling, how I am placing the hand. So that's very important. You have to pull all the extra fabrics on your right hand side away. and don't let the saree fall down. So all the weight will go down, automatically the saree will get wrinkles when you stitch the saree fall. So always keep the saree, chiffon or georgette or satin saree, whatever the lightweight saree if you are stitching, keep the saree on top of the sewing machine itself and just spread out the fabric, make flat and give the stitch. So likewise you have to continue and finish your saree fall stitching. So when you reach the end of the saree fall should be straight, like however we have placed. It should not be crossed, it should not have any pulling effect in the side. So if it is happening like that, just remove and restitch again. Don't try to adjust as it is, that will not give you a perfect look. Or when you wear the saree, that will make some difference in the bottom when you keep the pleats. Turn to the other side, lock it and finish it. So yes, we have attached the saree falls. I'll show you how it looks after completing. So you can see here there is no wrinkles on the right side or the wrong side. So the stitching of saree fall is very simple. The same technique has to be followed for any type of saree. Hope you all like this video. So if you are interested in online course, reach us in WhatsApp and register. And for more interesting topics, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.